If you ever need to jump straight to a specific date in Google Calendar, this quick shortcut will save you a lot of time. Instead of scrolling through weeks or months manually, you can go directly to the exact day you want in just a few seconds. This is especially useful if you're planning ahead, checking past events, or finding something on a specific date. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Google Calendar tips and tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're inside the calendar, press the G key on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that opens the Go to Date feature, and it's the fastest way to jump to any day in your calendar. After pressing G, a small date box will appear. In that box, type the date you want to go to in date, day, year format. Make sure you enter it clearly so Google Calendar can take you to the correct day. For example, you would type something like the 15th, the 12th, and the year you want to view, all in the proper order. Once the date is entered, click Go. Google Calendar will immediately move you to that exact date, so you can see your schedule, events, and reminders for that day. And that's all there is to it. With this simple shortcut, you can jump to any date in Google Calendar much faster than scrolling manually. It's a small tip, but it can save you a lot of time if you use Calendar often. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Google Workspace tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.